Welcome. Today we're diving deep into one of humanity's oldest healing remedies, castor oil, a natural substance that's been treasured for over 6,000 years, from ancient Egyptian tombs to modern medicine cabinets. As natural health advocate Dr. Barbara O'Neill and many practitioners emphasize, this golden oil holds remarkable potential for both human and pet health. Castor oil's documented use dates back to 1550 BCE in the Ebers Papyrus, where ancient Egyptians used it to protect eyes from irritation and as lamp fuel. Archaeological evidence shows castor beans in tombs from 4000 BC. In Africa, castor oil was valued above olive and sesame oils, used for leather curing, hair care and medicine throughout Sudan, Tanzania and Kenya. In Ayurvedic medicine, it's known as Aranda, the king of medicines for arthritic complaints, and in China, it's been used both internally and topically for centuries. In the late 1800s, traveling medicine men across America peddled castor oil as a heroic cure for everything from constipation to heartburn. During this era, castor oil was seen as a miracle cure for almost every ailment: constipation, heartburn, and even labor induction. Edgar Cayce, the renowned bedside healer in the early 1900s, popularized castor oil healing packs as his most important treatment for virtually any condition. By the 1960s, health food stores made castor oil a staple. However, as pharmaceutical companies developed synthetic alternatives that could be patented and profited from, many natural remedies like castor oil were pushed aside in favor of medications that generated greater revenue, despite the fact that these natural solutions had proven effective for thousands of years. What makes castor oil unique? Castor oil contains approximately 90% ricinoleic acid, an omega-9 fatty acid with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. This is what sets it apart from every other vegetable oil on Earth. Key properties include anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, antimicrobial and antibacterial action, stimulation of the lymphatic system, natural moisture retention, and promotion of blood circulation. Important safety note: while castor beans themselves contain ricin, a highly toxic protein, the heat processing during oil extraction completely deactivates this toxin, making properly processed castor oil safe for use. Always use food-grade, cold-pressed, hexane-free organic castor oil. The FDA has approved castor oil as a natural laxative for temporary constipation relief. The ricinoleic acid attaches to receptors in your intestines, causing muscle contractions that move stool through the colon. Dosage for adults is 1 tablespoon, or 15 milliliters, taken with water or milk. Effects typically occur within 2 to 6 hours. Use only occasionally, not as a long-term solution. Pregnant women should not use castor oil as it can cause contractions and potentially induce labor. It is not for those with intestinal obstruction, abdominal pain, or appendicitis symptoms. Overuse can cause cramping, nausea, and diarrhea. Castor oil may interact with digitalis, digoxin, or diuretics. Always consult your healthcare provider before internal use. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, creating moisturizing properties ideal for dry skin, face, and body. Benefits include deep skin moisturization, helping manage acne due to anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, reducing the appearance of scars and wrinkles, healing chapped lips, and supporting wound healing by creating a moist environment. Ricinoleic acid promotes blood circulation when massaged into the scalp, treating dry, flaky, itchy conditions, while potentially promoting hair growth. The omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids nourish hair follicles, reduce dandruff, and add natural shine. Your lymphatic system expels metabolic waste, and castor oil packs applied to lymph nodes help restore proper drainage and flow. To apply, soak organic cotton or wool flannel in castor oil. Place it over the affected area, cover with plastic wrap, apply a heat source, and leave for 1 to 2 hours. Use for pain relief, inflammation, and detoxification. Castor oil can help pets when used appropriately, but caution is essential. For dogs and cats, external applications include mixing castor oil with coconut oil in a 1-to-1 ratio for dry, irritated skin. It can also be gently massaged onto tumors, cysts, and growths twice daily. For cataracts in older pets, apply 1 drop of castor oil to each eye once or twice daily for several months. Castor oil also supports wound healing by creating a moist environment that promotes tissue growth, and it can relieve joint discomfort and arthritis. For internal use in dogs and cats, give half a teaspoon of castor oil per 20 pounds of body weight, twice daily. This can help with constipation and is also effective for hairball control in cats. Always dilute castor oil before topical application and use only organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free varieties. Internal use can cause diarrhea and cramping, so use sparingly. Some sources warn that castor oil can be toxic if licked or ingested in large amounts. Consult your veterinarian before using castor oil, especially for internal applications, and always monitor your pet for allergic reactions. Castor oil isn't just for digestion or skincare. It has other remarkable uses that make it a versatile addition to your natural health toolkit. For eye health, castor oil shows promise in treating dry eye disease and meibomian gland dysfunction. It is also used in many eye drop formulations. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling in arthritic conditions. Massage castor oil, diluted with a carrier oil, into sore joints and muscles for relief. In dental health, castor oil demonstrates antibacterial action against common oral bacteria, including Streptococcus mutans. Studies indicate that castor oil packs can temporarily increase T11 antigens, supporting the body's immune defense mechanisms. Castor oil represents a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern wellness. While pharmaceutical companies pushed aside remedies they couldn't patent, the healing power of this golden oil endures after 6,000 years of human use. Remember, this information is educational, not medical advice. Always consult qualified healthcare professionals before using castor oil, especially internally or for serious conditions. Choose only organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil from reputable sources. Nature's medicine cabinet holds treasures that have served humanity for millennia. Castor oil is one of the most versatile. Subscribe for more natural health wisdom. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult with qualified healthcare professionals before starting any new health regimen, using supplements or applying remedies, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions, are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. Individual results may vary.